Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza without an oven. First, let's get our dough ready. You'll want to combine about 1 cup of warm water with a teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Then, mix in 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until smooth, then let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Now that your dough has risen, it's time to assemble your delicious pizza. Take a portion of the dough and roll it out into a 9-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Carefully transfer this dough to a cold, lightly oiled nonstick pan. Next, spread about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Finally, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and add your preferred toppings. With your pizza assembled, it's time to cook it right on your stovetop. Place the pan over medium-low heat and make sure to cover it tightly with a lid. This creates a mini oven effect, helping the cheese melt and the toppings cook. Let it cook for about 8 to 12 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is beautifully golden brown on the bottom and the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Remember to check the crust occasionally to avoid burning. Your incredible stovetop pizza is now ready. Carefully slide the hot pizza from the pan onto a cutting board. It's a good idea to let it cool for just 2 to 3 minutes before you slice into it. This helps the cheese set. If you like, you can garnish it with some fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Now, serve it up immediately and savor every bite of your delicious, homemade, oven-free pizza.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.